Okay, so my neighbor Brian came over, wanted to bust a box of 2009 SPX, and he didn't want to do it on camera, but he wanted me to start busting packs for him. He's sitting right over here. But I started busting, and I saw this much of the card, and then we saw Michael Crabtree, and then that, and then I saw it was a 1-of-1, and cannot believe that he just pulled this card. Triple logo, well, it's a laundry tag and then dual logo shields. Michael Crabtree rookie from 2009 SPX, 1-of-1. The other hits: Franco Harris patch, Brian Robisky dual jersey, Noshon Marino dual jersey, Jonathan Stewart jersey, and he's still got 5 packs. Go ahead, Brian. Unbelievable card. Unbelievable card.
Jerry Rice.
Be a jersey card, I think. Dual jersey. Jerry Rice was the number 2.
50.
Nice. Jerry Rice and Franco Harris. Unbelievable.
Jason Witten.
Jason Witten jersey.
It's 225.
3 more packs. 3 more packs. Autograph. Who is that? Leotis McKelvin? Mm-hmm. Leotis McKelvin. I don't think it really matters what else you get in the box. Unbelievable. Is that going PC or is that going eBay?
PC.
Who's that?
Jacoby
Jones autograph. All right, 1 pack left. You got what, 2 autos? So I think this will be an auto. I'm not really sure, to be honest. Yep, another autograph. Who is it?
Selvin Young.
Selvin Young, not a rookie card. Not even playing. But Michael Crabtree, 1-of-1, logo shield, rookie card. Too bad there's no auto on there, but still unbelievable hit. Unbelievable hit, and congratulations, man.